Whoa! Dad! The water!
I gotcha, buddy. Hold on. Yep, that's me. And my son currently testing the load-bearing strength of a kid's backpack over a freezing subterranean river. You're probably wondering how our completely safe, highly supervised family cave tour turned into an extreme survival mission? Well, let's rewind a bit.
Welcome, everyone. Please stay right on the marked path. This cave is very big, very complex, and we really don't want to play hide and seek today.
Okay, stay close, kids. We absolutely do not want to lose the group. Stick together like peanut butter and jelly.
June, sweetie, hold my hand. It is very dark the second you step away from the tour lights. Almost too dark.
Whoa, hey, look at that tunnel. It totally looks like it has shiny crystals inside.
Ooh, it looks so pretty, Jake. Can we just go see? Please, please, please.
It's just right there. We can go and be back in exactly 1 minute. Easy peasy.
Listen to this, Lisa. The guy just said these rocks are literally millions of years old. Millions! Makes my back pain feel young.
That's amazing, Mark. Wait a second. Where are the kids?
Jake? June? Oh no, they were literally just right here.
Come on, June. The crystals are just a little further in. It's like a pirate treasure.
Jake, I can't see the group anymore. It's getting very narrow in here.
Jake! June! Come back here right this instant!
Mark, we have to go get them right now. Move!
Jake! Why on earth did you leave the path? We talked about this in the car.
I'm so sorry, Dad. I really just wanted to see the shiny crystals.
I want to go back to the big room now. It's way too damp here, and it smells like wet socks.
Okay. Deep breaths. Let's just turn around and go back.
Oh no. Which way did we even come from?
I think it was the left one, right? Usually we go left.
No way, Mom. I totally think it was the middle one. I remember that weird rock.
Everything looks exactly the same. It's all just boring rocks and scary shadows.
All right, let's try the middle one. But move slowly, guys. The ground is incredibly slippery.
Shh, wait, did you guys hear that?
Hear what? It's just the wind, silly.
No, it sounds exactly like someone whispering in the walls.
It's just a spooky echo, June. Let's just stay very close together, okay?
Oh, this room is absolutely huge. Jake, shine your little light over on those walls.
Wow, look at that. There are ancient cave paintings on the rocks. We're like real explorers.
Yeah, but we definitely shouldn't be here. This looks like a totally unexplored part of the cave.
He's right. We really need to find the exit suddenly before our little flashlights completely fail.
Hey, look up there. That tunnel over there is very high up. Maybe it goes out.
No way. It's way too slippery to walk up there, Jake. I am not doing that.
Wait, hush for a second. I hear water. Like a whole lot of water.
In a cave? Is it a river down here? Wait, if you need to master English for daily conversations, grab our ebook. It has 25 easy English stories with grammar spotlights, practical quizzes, and speaking prompts to help you learn. Link in the description. Now, I need to see if we can find a way across this underground river.
Look, guys, it's a real, roaring underground stream.
Jake, come back here. It is way too dangerous to just run in the dark.
The water looks very cold, and it makes the air feel super damp.
Yeah, there is no way we can cross this. It's way too deep for the kids.
Okay, here is the plan. We have to follow the edge of the water carefully. No goofing around.
Hey, maybe the water leads straight to the exit, like a water slide.
Or, it leads deeper into the earth. We must be very smart about this, kiddos.
I'm really scared, Mom, and my feet are getting totally wet.
Just hold my hand tight, June. We will squeeze past these big rocks together, okay? I've got you.
Okay, let's see. 20, 21, 22. Wait a minute. We are missing 4 people.
Ah, you mean the family with the 2 energetic kids? Yeah, I saw them wandering near that crystal tunnel.
Oh no, that area is absolutely not safe. It's a complete maze in there. Base, this is Guide Sarah. We have an emergency. A family of 4 is missing in Section B.
Copy that, Sarah. We are sending the search and rescue team down right now.
Uh-oh, guys, my light is flickering really bad.
No, please don't let it go out.
It's okay, buddy. Dad brought the heavy-duty backup light. We are good.
We must just sit down and wait. If we try to move in the dark, we might trip and fall.
I feel so bad. This is all my fault because I didn't listen.
Hey, we are a family, Jake. We solve our problems together. No pointing fingers.
Wait, listen. I think I hear a tiny whistle.
Everyone, be very, very quiet. Let's just listen.
Hello! We're down here! Help!
Hold up! I think I just heard a shout. Over there, near that narrow gap.
Got it! I'll shine the spotlight carefully into that dark corner. Let's see. Over here! Yes, we are right here! Oh, thank goodness! We see you! Don't move a muscle, folks! The rocks right there are very slippery!
Yay! You found us! You actually found us!
Phew, that was a close one. Are you all okay? Any bumps, scrapes, or injuries?
Oh, we are just incredibly cold and tired, but we are absolutely okay.
Well, you guys were very brave to stay put and stick together. Thank you. Seriously, thank you so much for finding us down here. All right, let's get you all out of here. We just have to squeeze through this last tight part and you're home free.
I'm going to follow the rules from now on. Next time, I promise.
Oh my goodness, I am so happy you are safe.
Well, we definitely learned a hard way that you should never, ever leave the group.
And you should always listen to the guide.
All right, team, let's go home and have a giant warm dinner. I am starving.
Yeah, and absolutely no more caves for a very, very long time.
Okay, everyone. Class is officially in session. Let's see exactly how well you did on today's brand new vocabulary. We will start with our adjectives, or as I like to call them, our describing words. Dark, this means there was no light from the sun, so we had to use our trusty flashlights. Damp, this means they were a little bit wet because of the water hidden deep in the cave. Narrow, this means the space was very small and tight, making it super hard to walk through. Slippery, this describes a surface that is smooth or wet, where it is super easy to fall down. Great! Now, let's look at our verbs, which are our action words. Explore. This means to travel through a brand new place to learn all about it. Squeeze! This is exactly what you do when you have to push your body through a very small space. Listen! This means to pay close attention to sounds, just like when we heard the rescue whistle.
Finally, we have our adverbs. These little guys tell us exactly how we did something. Carefully. This means we were very safe and paid close attention so we didn't get hurt on the rocks. Slowly. This means we did not go fast at all because it was way too dark to run. Suddenly, this means something happened very fast and we absolutely did not expect it to happen.
All right, before we go, answer this down in the comments below. If you were lost in a dark and narrow cave, what is the one single thing you would want to have with you? We really want to hear your story. Keep practicing your English. Be super kind to everyone around you, and we'll see you in the very next adventure. Goodbye, everyone!